Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this band from the Android phone. First we need to open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our Smart Band. So let's open the app. In the app you should see the health page. Now tap on the device icon and here you should see Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. Now scroll down, find the unpair button, and once you find it, tap on it, then tap on continue to confirm. The band will disappear from the device page and it will reset itself to the factory default settings. And that's how you unpair this Smart Band from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.